Hello, it's me, Harmony Blazinski, and this is part 14 of me opening the daily chest, 4-hour chest, 10-minute chest, and daily rewards. Well, at least I think this is the 14th one for Wolf, Fox, and Bear, and Wildcat. So, yeah. So far, I got 780 logs for the daily reward. Let's see. Obviously not going to be anything good. Just a gray wolf, some water, and battle points. A crimson wolf, mystic fireballs, and some meat, finally, for wolf. More battle points. Seems to be getting a lot of battle points lately. Alright, now I am gonna go to Fox. Green fireball. At least there's a gold chest tomorrow. Didn't get anything good. Got some logs and some more logs and a fox. I didn't get anything good. Luckily tomorrow for Fox I got a silver chest and a golden chest. Again, nothing good. Just a fox and some water and meat. Why are they barking at each other? Alright. There's logs. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to Bear. So far I haven't been lucky so far. The snow is thick. Well, I got moonstones. So, I mean, that's good. Let's see what I get in this chest. Nothing good. I got a bear, some magic dust, and leaves. Let's see what I get in this chest. So I got a polar bear, mystic fireballs, and some water. Nothing good, to be honest. Got more battle points. Alright. So yay, I got moonstones. Yay. Alright, now I'm gonna go to Wildcat and get the reward. Took a minute. I got some logs. I got a silver chest to open. Oh, I got 2 mystic fireballs and some magic dust. That's sad, to be honest. Kind of disappointing, to be honest. Nothing good. That wasn't disappointing. Okay. I got leaves. That's all I got. Well, I wasn't very lucky today, unfortunately. I'm gonna switch back to Wolf, by the way. So honestly, I very well was not lucky, but still I have 1,000 guild points so far this week. I'm probably gonna start doing videos of me doing the Wolftails things, these for y'all. So and also I might do a couple about boss battle or two. I might do some boss battles so that way, yeah. But I'm gonna do the good boss battles because there's a couple boss battles in Wolftails that are broken, and I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So the broken boss battles, like this one like Angai the Prideful works, but Celestial Fall doesn't work. The Juggernaut works. Tunnel of Terror works. Mark of the Wolf does not work. Return of the Dead does work. And then Scorched Earth doesn't work. So I'm gonna just get I'm gonna get a silver chest. And this was very disappointing. I got some leaves, meat, and more leaves. So that was disappointing. But yeah, definitely gonna do some boss battles in one of these videos. And I might start doing these too for y'all because it just seems right because I just want to try something different because for Wolftails, I've been doing a lot of just chest opening videos and I feel like for some of y'all that's kind of boring to an extent. I'm gonna go to shop. Yeah, that's not worth it. I was gonna buy a chest, but that's not worth it. Especially since I'm trying to save up to get a companion, which is in the Mystic section. It's this one right here. I'm trying to save up to get this one. Oh, you know, I actually do want this one too. I'm gonna save up to get the Radiant Dove and this one. Yeah. Let me see if there's any more I would like to save up for and nothing else. I'd like to save up for this bat right here. And actually, I would like to save up for the fire bat, too. I could try to save up for the dragons. Well, I mean, I could save up for the fox, too. This one's a cool one. Anyways. I believe I can power up, so I'm gonna power up my wolf a little bit. I was only able to merge one wolf into my wolf, unfortunately. Look at the wolves behind me. I have all fantasy wolves behind me, so yeah. I mean, I'm glad I got at least 30 moonstones, but sad that I barely got anything good. Yeah. This is my guild symbol, so yeah. Honestly, the reason why I'm trying to earn guild points is this guild is just starting and I'm trying to help it, you know, rank up and level up so we can get more members. I'm a little disappointed that, like, barely getting any members to join. That makes me disappointed. So yeah, definitely, you know, yeah, I definitely think y'all should, like, consider joining, and if y'all are interested in joining, if y'all go into the home page, y'all can scroll down to the bottom. I actually have the guild in my homepage, the guild channel, and you can ask the owner of the channel if y'all can join. But yeah, you have to be like, you have to also follow all the rules. So I'm gonna show you those. So it says no bullying, respect others, and be nice. New channel been made. Cyan Regiment Wolftails. Go now to subscribe. How you know you've been active? The words of daily logins. You can get up to 50 G points. It can sometimes help the guild up some. So that's what they said. That's why I'm trying to get guild points. Hello, please stay active and get. So they're just saying, stay active, subscribe to them, you know. So yeah, special shout out to this owner. They're a really good guild owner. They work hard. So, yeah. I'm gonna put their channel in the description, so if like anyone's interested in joining, just go to my description. My description's basically gonna be the shout out, since the title for these videos is very long. So yeah. I'm just gonna run around now. Meow. Dude, I just went underwater. That was crazy. Okay. Anyways, this is gonna be where I'm gonna end my video now. So, Harmony Blazinski over and out. Goodbye. Alright.